Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something interesting. So we are just going to talk about why you should learn a digital marketing course. And what is the use of learning a digital marketing course? So let's get started. So why should you learn a digital marketing course? So So I'm going to explain about why should you learn a digital marketing course and another thing like what are the opportunities available when you pursue a digital marketing course. So that's a $1,000,000 question, right? So everybody will definitely take up a course on digital marketing, but the ultimate question is like, if I learn a digital marketing course, what will be the opportunities available in the market? So we need to discuss these two topics. So before getting into the concept, why should you learn a digital marketing course? I just wanted to cover what are the opportunities available when you pursue a digital marketing course. So a digital marketing course, I recommend everyone to take up that because I've been in this digital marketing industry for almost 9 years, and till now I keep studying a lot. Just now I have completed a course on advanced digital marketing, and every day the digital marketing trend keeps upgrading, and you need to make sure that you are very skilled to stay in this current competitive market. That is very important. So I'll just tell you what are the opportunities are there when you pursue a digital marketing course. So you can start your own blog. Just start your own blog and you can start making money. So it is not a one day challenge or task. It's nothing like that. It takes few months to it takes a day to set up a blog, but it takes some months to start. You have to start writing blogs, and you need to register in Google AdSense, and there are different promotions that you have to follow to start earning. So it is not just like you earn money in just one day. You learn a digital marketing course and you start a blog and you earn money in just a day. It is not like that. It doesn't happen like that. Okay. So the second thing is like, you can go for a job in digital marketing. So initially you can join as a digital marketing executive. I'm just explaining you the cycles of how it works. So first you'll be working as a digital marketing executive, and then you'll be working as a digital marketing specialist, and then your next level position will be digital marketing manager, and then you can become as a digital marketing head. So it keeps going. So, and finally you'll become the head of particular region department, head of India digital marketing department, something like that. So I'm just showing an example. I'm just showing you the hierarchy of how it works. So it differs upon different companies, but this is how it goes. Okay, and the third thing that you can do when you pursue a digital marketing course is you can set up your own digital marketing agency. Okay, so digital marketing agency it is not like everyone can do it. So I highly recommend you to work in an agency for a year or two, understand of how an agency work, see if it is really interesting for you, because you are coming into a new concept called digital marketing. So you need to understand of how agency works. So I highly recommend you to work for a year, just see how the process goes in a digital marketing agency, and then you can start your agency with a team members of 5 or 10, like it can be even your friends, you can do like that. Okay, you can become a digital marketing mentor. Suppose uh, you have started to like digital marketing very much, because I personally like digital marketing a lot. So I just because I've been in this for almost 9 years, so I really like digital marketing a lot. So I keep exploring some new things every day. So I recommend you to become even a mentor if you really like the subject. So unless you don't like the subject, it is totally waste of teaching people. So you need to be a role model for the people whom you teach. That is more important. So you may so if you're really interested in teaching, you can definitely become a mentor. That is like really a good option. Okay, so apart from that, you can become an affiliate marketer. Become affiliate marketer and earn money. So affiliate marketing is a very wide concept. Probably in your digital marketing course, they will be teaching you something about affiliate marketing. So you need to know the pros and cons of how you need to start with an affiliate marketing job. It is not a job. I mean, just like you write a blog, affiliate marketing works on its separate way. So you can, all you have to do is you have to just follow the instructions, work on that and achieve results, and then earn money. So this is how it works. So these are some of the opportunities right now that you can definitely grab when you pursue a digital marketing course. So there might be other opportunities as well. So I have just updated whatever I have analyzed and researched by myself. So now let's go to the first topic. Why should you learn a digital marketing course? So it depends, right? So suppose if you are a businessman and you need to upgrade your digital business, so definitely you need to learn digital marketing, or else you can hire a freelancer and get associated with them, get all your digital marketing task done with that particular person. You can do it either way to upgrade your business. So that's one of the most info. If you're a business owner, you need to make sure that you upgrade your business by learning digital marketing or by hiring a consultant. Anything is fine. The next thing is like to upgrade your career. So, as I told you earlier, the current market, job market is highly competitive, and you need to make sure that you you be very skilled, and you need to show a lot of projects before you get into a company. Suppose if you are planning to join a digital marketing company, you need to make sure that you have a proper instead of just a resume, you need to make sure that you have a very good website of your own with your personal branding done. You need to have your own social media pages, and it's not like a one time work. You need to make sure that you keep updating, and then you can have your own portfolio with the projects that you have worked. It can be on freelance or with any other previous company of yours. It can be anything. Okay, so to upgrade your business will be the first point, to upgrade your career will be the second point. So the third thing can be to earn passive income. That's more important, right? So you will be you will already be in a full-time job and you wanted to earn something apart from your full-time job. So using digital marketing, definitely you can make a passive income that can definitely be done. Suppose if you're a housewife, we can do. Housewives can, homemakers can definitely uh, create a good income in digital marketing. So right now I am working as a full-time digital marketing consultant for various brands. So definitely an homemaker can get into a digital marketing, into this new field, learn a new course on digital marketing, do some freelance projects, get experienced, and she can continue the same. The third thing, students can make their part, can earn some passive income using this digital marketing. So, so this is what I was about to explain you. Why should you learn a digital marketing course and what are the opportunities? So I personally recommend all of you to take up a digital marketing course. It can be on any location. Just ensure that you go for a very recognized institute so that you can get a lot of practical experience. So that will really be helpful instead of just staying on one niche. When you learn a new skill like digital marketing, a booming skill, it will definitely be helpful for you. So thanks for watching. I hope this video is really helpful for you.